foundation review. So I'm getting, I'm new to the makeup thing. I really don't know much about makeup I'm learning about makeup. And the first thing that you need to find is your foundation. So I have a couple foundations that I got here from Fit Me. So I got all kind of like the darker shades from Fit Me, and you're just gonna see what color works for me, because it's hard finding foundations because you don't want to be orange, you don't want to be like red. This one is in nutmeg, this one is in cocoa, and this one is in coconut, and then this one is in chocolate, and then this one is in, yeah. So you see the numbers? See the numbers? This one is 380, this one is 356, this one is 370, and then these two are in 365, and then this one is in 355. I've tried all of them. I don't have makeup on right now, by the way, but I don't have no makeup on, period. But I have tried all of them, and I think the ones that, like this one, okay, this one 380. Hold on. I think, yeah, 380 and 370 works pretty good for me. 370 is a contour because it's too dark for me, but it works as a contour, and this works as a foundation. These are like my sister's colors. They're like cocoa and nutmeg and stuff like that because they're lighter, so they like, they like these colors. But for the chocolates, honey, for the chocolate girls, I say these two. See the difference? See how they like? I say these two, 380 and 370, will work for chocolate girls. But for my sisters, those are for them. So when I do their makeup, I use those. So we're gonna use these, and we're gonna try them out and see. So if you want like good results for your makeup, you always want to prime. So I'm using this primer from e.l.f. and want to prime. You want a little bit, don't do too much. Prime. The area is where I get the most problems at, and like right here. So I'm gonna prime that. I feel like you can see it. I said it was 370 and 380. 370, 380. So I'm gonna use 380 first. You don't want to use too much because you want to start off, you want to build. I'm gonna just do swatches so y'all can see the difference between all of the foundations, because you can't really see them in the in the box or in the in the. What I'm swatching is 380. 380. The first one I'm swatching. This is the one that got on my face. You see how chocolate that is? That is chocolate, honey. Yes. You want to be, I don't want to be orange and red. I want to be chocolate. Period. So, this is 370. 370. Ooh. I say this is a contour because if you can see, it's, ooh, that's chocolate. Okay. This is contour. This is too different. That's dark chocolate. Okay. That's cute too. I love that color. This is 355. 355. Almost gone, but for a minute I thought I was 355. That's what I was using for a hot minute. I don't know if you can see in my videos, but the difference between them two. 355 right there. And this is, okay, that's 355. This is 365. 365 I'm using now. 365. What the hell? 365. 365. I think it's a tad bit darker than that one, but anyway. Now I'm using 356. 356. 356. I think you can use some of these as highlighter. I feel like you can use some of them as concealers. I think that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, these are all of the colors. So, do you see those two? This brush right here, I'll link these brushes in the description box. I'm gonna spray them with a little setting spray, and we're gonna just work it in, okay? I was thinking about using my other brushes, but do you see how pretty this color is? Like, this is the color I want it to be, okay? We gonna lighten it up for y'all so I can see the real. Do you see? This is the color I want it to be. Not orange, not red, chocolate. And that's what it's giving me. It looks a little natural, but yeah. We're gonna use a little bit more, just a little bit more. Remember, 380. 380. That is such a pretty color. Just a little bit more. Don't use a lot. I use the back of my brushes. We're gonna get all of that. We're gonna get down that neck. Like this brush is kind of big and whatever, and I'm gonna just blend it out like that. A hair review will be coming on this hair soon in a minute. After I get done with this video, I'll do a hair review of this hair. So I don't know if y'all can see a difference, but do you see it? I think I'm done blending. Look, concealer. This is LA Colors. It's pretty old, but it works. You see how light it is? That's why I like using both. Because, do you see the difference? I use that wearing route when I'm like not wearing any makeup, like I'm not wearing no foundation, because it kind of look like my color, my skin color a little bit. If you just want a little pop, I usually just use that without no foundation, and just make it look like you got makeup on with some lashes and your eyebrows done. I'm only using one one brush or two blush to blend, but I'm gonna use the rest of them. Do you see how it makes it light? Like, that's what we're going for. We're going to blend off camera, and then I'll come back and show blending. But you can see, y'all can see we getting somewhere. You want to still blend. After you blend, if you can see, I probably still need to blend a little bit more because you can never blend enough. You can never blend enough. So I'm probably gonna go back and blend some more. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna contour, but I'm gonna take this palette. I'll link this palette in the description box as well. This is a contour and concealer palette. Girl, it's almost gone. But I'm gonna take this light. It's not as showing up as like really bright, but it's like a light color, and I want my eyes under my eyes to pop a little bit more. So we're gonna put that. It's kind of like baking in a way, but we want the eyes to pop even more. So we're gonna just take that and put it under our eyes. Contour with two, so I'm contour with that. Okay. I use I can't really see in this camera, so I feel like I'm doing it the wrong way, but where my mirror at? Cause I feel like I'm messing it up. So I fixed the, it was a lot. So I'm gonna just fix it. I just fixed it by taking that, going over it a little bit, so it's not as much, because it was doing too much. Just contour my nose real quick, and then I will be, I don't know if you can see. Is it contour? Am I doing it? No, okay. I just comb my eyebrows. I really don't to it. But yeah. We're not gonna do lashes, but I am going to. This is just the lashes from the Beauty Supply. Don't matter where you get it from. You can get the one from Dollar Tree. This one from Dollar Tree, girl. This is the Wet n Wild mascara from Dollar Tree. You can do that. It don't matter. From the Dollar Tree works just as good as so we're gonna just I don't know if I should do lashes because I think this is a natural look. I want to do natural, no makeup look, and I feel like I'm giving you that, so that's what we're gonna go with. No lashes. Because I think this is a natural look. I want to do natural, no makeup look, and I feel like I'm giving you that, so that's what we're gonna go with. No lashes. Try not to get none. Thinking I should have curled my eyelashes first. Trying to get none on my eyes. Can you tell the difference? Lashes with mascara, lashes with no mascara. Can you tell the difference? Can you tell the difference? Lashes with mascara, lashes with no mascara. Can you tell the difference? so y'all can see. But don't she look chocolate? Like, okay guys, that was the end of the video. Just a little makeup video with finding foundation for like dark skinned girls, because you don't want to be orange, you don't want to be red. So these two, 370, 380, works real good. Okay, so that was it. I'll link these in the description box below. I got them from Amazon. All of them is from Amazon. Everything I used in this video is from Amazon. So make sure you like and subscribe. Maybelline Fit Me, thank you guys for making foundation that match us. Finding foundation for like dark skinned girls, because you don't want to be orange, you don't want to be red. So these two, 370, 380, works real good. Okay, so that was it. I'll link these in the description box below. I got them from Amazon. All of them is from Amazon. Everything I used in this video is from Amazon. So make sure you like and subscribe. Maybelline Fit Me, thank you guys for making foundation that match